The blizzard that crippled western New York over Christmas weekend has killed more than 25 people as crews struggled to excavate snow-covered areas around Buffalo in the worst winter storm in decades, Monday, December 26, 2022. With snow falling steadily above more than 1.2 meters in Buffalo since the blizzard struck last Friday, New York's second-largest city is what the governor called a once-in-a-lifetime weather disaster. The confirmed hurricane-related deaths rose to 27 in Buffalo and throughout Erie County Monday, up from 13 the night before. The deaths included cases of people found in snowdrifts and in cars or who died of a heart attack while clearing snow, said Area Executive Mark Poloncarz. More deaths have been reported, Poloncarz said, but area medical examiners will have to determine whether they were directly caused by the weather. At least 60 lives have been lost in weather-related incidents nationwide, according to a count of NBC News. The Arctic storm ravaged much of the United States for days. The storm wreaked havoc on travel across the country over the holiday weekend, leaving passengers stranded as thousands of flights were canceled. The greater Buffalo region, on the shores of Lake Erie near the Canadian border, has been hit the hardest. Nearly 1.27 meters of snow was measured at Buffalo Airport Monday morning, according to the National Weather Service. More than 2 days of chilly winds have died down Monday, as snow continues to fall, with an additional accumulation of up to 30 centimeters expected Tuesday in areas south of Buffalo and north of Syracuse. Highways remain cluttered with cars, buses, ambulances, tow trucks and even plows buried under towering piles of snow, complicating efforts to clear roads and reach residents in need of medical care. Authorities deployed high-lift tractors as hospital transport. Despite a region-wide ban on personal travel that remained in place on Monday, hundreds of motorists continued to travel to the point where they had to be rescued from their vehicles over the weekend.